Hello customer, I will show how to install this parts, the charger port. So the first we need to move the silver parts, remove it, okay. Remove it. And then insert the port. Okay, insert the port, and then install the silver parts. Okay. And then install it. Okay, finish this. Next step, we need to insert the wire into these parts. Insert like this. Insert black, red. Oh, the black and the red we can depend on this parts. Yes. We need to the black match this black, the red match this red. So insert it, and then connect. Okay.